Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with additional in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, September the 30th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and my plans are to solve four puzzles in this additional. We have seven puzzles here. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not in the evening. In the evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, let me show you the Samurai Sudoku. This is the Samurai Sudoku here. Samurai Sudoku, this one for tonight in the evening. But let me solve these 4 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. The first one is the 3 stars puzzle. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. Because it's actually a 1 star. Because it has 27 printed digits. Yeah, 27. And this one will be number 7191. 27 should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one is indicated with 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the middle, the row between, the only place left for 9 should be there. Okay, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there, 4, okay. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay, and now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, and now how about here we have 8. Okay, 8. Need 8 there. Okay. We have an 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next, now we need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8, here should be the 8, here should be the 8. That means in this column, we have here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this third row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay, now I can not continue with 8. How about the number 2, 9, 7, 2, 9, 7, 7, 7. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, Need a 6 here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number to number 6. Okay. All right. And now, 597. Let me see. How about 7, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 marks. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Oh, but the 9. The 9. 9. 9. Interesting. But the 3, need a 3 here. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Okay, we have a pair. Yeah. Let me finish this first column. 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8, so we have 5 goes there. And 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3 number 8. Okay, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Oh, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, need place left for the 5. Should be there. Then 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Okay. Well, 5 here. And I need a 5 here. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 7, 1, 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Okay, so this should be the 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row. Should be there. So now 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. 1 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Okay, 1 and the 7. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number 1. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, okay. And now, 1, 9, 192, 192, 192. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this in this row or in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Okay. Okay, how about 1 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 here. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Alright. And now, yeah. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in the middle, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. The 7 in this row, the 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. It's missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes, exactly. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Let me give it a 1 star. Alright. I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.